Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on real analysis. The question is, let f and x is equal to 1 minus nx if x belonging to 0, 1 by n and 0 if x belonging to 1 by n, 0. Then, option A, limit n tends to infinity f and x defines a continuous function on x. Option B, the sequence f and x converges uniformly on 0, 1. Option C, limit n tends to infinity f and x is equal to 0 for all x belonging to 0, 1. And option D, limit n tends to infinity f and x exists for all x belonging to 0, 1. So now we have limit n tending to infinity f and x is equal to 1 if x is equal to 0 and 0 if x not equals 0. Thus, as f is not continuous, means the sequence f and x is not uniformly convergent. So clearly option D holds. That is, limit n tends to infinity f and x exists for all x belonging to 0, 1. Thus option D is the correct answer. The next question is, the number root 2 into e to the power I pi is option A, rational number, option B, transcendental number, option C, irrational number, and option D, imaginary number. Now, root 2 into e to the power I pi is equal to root 2 into cos pi plus I sin pi. Now, cos pi is equal to minus 1, whereas sin pi is equal to 0. So this becomes root 2 into minus 1 plus I into 0, that is minus root 2, which is clearly an irrational number. Therefore option C is the correct answer. The next question is, let an is equal to sin pi by n. For the sequence a1, a2, a3 and so on, the supremum is option A, 0 and is attained, option B, 0 and is not attained, option C, 1 and is attained, and option D, 1 and is not attained. So now the given sequence is sin pi by 2, sin pi by 3 and so on, which is 0, 1, 3 by 2 and so on. Now very clearly we have mod of sin x less than equal to 1, and since 1 is also attained by the sequence, therefore option C holds, that is, the supremum is 1 and is attained. So option C is the correct answer.